Today, I feel like I need more energy.
Do some push-ups.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Woo! 25 push-ups, here we go. What's up, just another car show, people? Thanks to all 59 of you for watching our first video. We're filming this before we've posted the second video, so shout out to the 59 of you. Hate to say it, but like and subscribe because Andy and I want to quit our jobs one day and just make car videos. All right. Okay, this is why I was down here. I forgot. Here we go. For today's video, we're going to be replacing the shift knob and boot on a 97 Mazda Miata. It's going to be a beautiful thing, really beautiful. We hope that all the parts that we ordered fit. The supplies you're going to need to do this job: power drill, screwdriver. You could also use a regular one, but this would be easier. A bit bag to get your proper bits. You just need a Phillips head bits, that's it. A new boot. Shout out Summit Racing. Equipment, everything and anything you drive, everything you need for anything you drive. Really honestly hoping that this fits. I bought I think it's called don't hate me, people. I think it's called a thruster shift boot. I'm hoping it fits. And then a new shift knob. Shout out to Likewise, dude. I'm gonna show you guys their website later. They make some dope stuff. We're gonna open this in a hot sec. You need bug spray, cause you live in a swamp. Hydration, cause you live in a swamp. Cover the label. Hydration for the cameraman and good friend. Lemonade for the good friend and cameraman. Lemonade. Strawberry lemonade for the good friend and cameraman, Andy. What's your middle name?
Michael.
Andy M. Hansa. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's open up this shift boot first. See what we got. Oh man, I'm like really excited for how it's gonna look, but I'm also really nervous it's not gonna fit. Cause Andy, show him the OG one. Oh,
ugly.
Yeah, right, bro.
Look,
it's getting all cracked up and like janky. We done with that. Oh. That's not a good sign if the first thing they show you for your Japanese car parts is an American muscle car. Okay, so this is our shift boot, our new shift boot. Shout out Hurst shifters. Hurst shifters are like OG American muscle badass shifters. I just thought the rubberized portion of this is gonna look really good if we can get it to fit. That's gonna be a whole thing. Hi, old neighbors. Okay, all right. So I got this one. I don't remember which one it was called. They're from Australia, from Brisbane, Australia.
Ooh.
Shout out Mighty Car Mods. I'm shouting out too much stuff today, but that's dope, bro. That looks like an iPhone case. You feel me?
It does. Like a box of Apple would.
Yeah, and look, they got the stripe on the inside. Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
And then check this shit out. Likewise, join the cult. Okay,
that's a sticker for the car.
Oh yeah? Unless it's just the Instagram logo, we'll see. And then these should be my fitment brackets. So hopefully that fits on that. All right, here we go.
Game time.
Game time. What's that? Do your dance, dance your dance, that's, you know, Space Jam?
Mm-hmm. Come on and slam.
Yeah! It's your jam. Here you go, hydrate a little bit, baby. Alright, here we go. We gotta find a Phillips head bit in this. Oh, this is like that Phillips head that's mad intense. It's got the little extra bites on the corners. So we're gonna take that girl. She gonna be good to us. Okay, so there are, I think, 4 screws. We're at her. Nice. There's one in her, I believe, and then one in her. So we'll get
2 in there, I think.
2 in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Two in there.
Take off the knob first.
Yeah. Step one, like Andy said, we're gonna try to get this knob off. Oh. That was easier than I thought it would be. Jeez. Okay. Okay, so now because we have this, I know some people have this cup holder thing right here, but we have this compartment thing. So I'm gonna just try to pull it up. Oh, bro, I love this car. It's so easy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so easy. Okay, so there's one of our screws. I don't know if you needed me to ever move, just tell me. But there's one of our screws. All right, so this is gonna be the first screw we try to take out, just cause, I don't know, I don't wanna deal with all that other shit later. So here we go. All right. I love this car. We're gonna use our old cup holder thing as our screw tray. Get that middle one out there. Oh, torque it up. Oh, nice. Two more screws back here. Nice, Andy. Good camera work. Thank you very much, sir. Boom, ba. This is amazing. Boom, ba. Then we just have that last screw, right? Very nice. Okay, so according to what we watched on the YouTubes, this should just come right up. All right, let's give that a go from over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, oh my God. Oh no, bro. Oh no.
What?
Oh. There we go. Okay, so this is why we're absolutely because see where this plastic has broken off? Right? Well, those plastic parts should be connected right here to the parts that we see here in our center console. Because they are not, this framing of our shift boot will not reconnect to the center console. So therefore we cannot put a new shift boot on.
Hot glue it.
Huh?
Hot glue it.
Hot glue it?
Mm-hmm.
Super glue? Do we have super glue?
Probably. Go to Walmart.
How long does super glue take to set?
There's quick ones.
Okay. I'm gonna cut this thing because I don't give a about it. Okay, so I'm just popping these little tabs off. You see all these little tabs coming through the leather there, and they're all bent and broken too. What a shame. You know what's gonna suck? I'll try to describe this to like any other human being later, and they'll be like, yeah, I have no idea what you're talking about. And I'll be like, you don't understand how devastating this is? I've been trying to do this project for 3 months. And I'll be like, oh, my shift boot holder was not attached to my center console anymore. And they'll be like, What are you saying, bro? Okay, here's the new thought. It might be really dumb. Let's see. Yo, he might say it. Okay, oh, it's bent. I bent it. Okay, what if, hear me out, we just go like this, right there, which covers everything. Oh, that looks good, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, good job shopping, Ben. We just kind of drill new holes.
Come on. Think. Brain blast!
Because they don't go through.
Mm-hmm.
So I just drill holes for this plate. Oh, it doesn't fit at the bottom. I don't need the plate there though. I can just drill some very small holes for this piece of leather or rubber, and we could get little bolts that thread through, and those little bolts would actually look clean as
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
So we would need to go to the hardware store and get bolts that fit through this.
Yeah.
Are you down?
Yeah. Oh, I could drive, don't I?
Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's rewind.
Okay.
Well, not rewind. We just need to make sure that this fits over this and hides everything well.
Do you leave all that
No, I'm moving it. So it'll grab to the bottom. So we'll kind of have to hope that our shift knob goes that far deep, or that deep, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. Let's cut open our new iPhone box. Dude, this is such a crisp packaging job. Good job, likewise.
It's a cool name.
I know, right? They're really doing all their branding very well. Ooh,
Wow.
what a great sound.
Hard blast.
I love that sound.
Not even soft plastic. Ooh.
See it. Okay.
Damn.
All right, okay. Oh, that is hefty. Feel that?
That's a way lighter than the last one. What do you mean hefty?
I don't know. I love
Feels
the
like a golf
weight.
club.
I love the weight that it sits with.
It feels like honestly like a barbell.
Bro.
That's sick. That's so sick.
All right, okay, all right.
I'm not sure I like the LW. Sorry, likewise.
Yeah,
but it's a little bit too much
honestly
branding
wish
for the
if you
top of
put
your
it
car. Yeah.
Like on the bottom there.
Yeah,
or
it's like
something.
every single person's gonna see it. Like, come on, we're not representatives yet.
Yeah, I mean, if you pay us. I do like their steering wheel. They could pay us. Okay. Debriefing. Took apart the center console in the 97 Mazda Miata. Things did not go as planned. The thing that would hold the shift boot onto our center console, the plastic connections for the screws, I don't know all the technical names, the plastic is broken. Therefore, we cannot use the factory shift boot holder. So Andy and I are gonna MacGyver this right now. Go to the hardware store, drill holes in our center console, put some bolts through here, it'll look clean as hell. Let's do it. We need you.